You there? Yes, you? I want to speak with you. Stop posting boring pictures. Upgrade your pictures with me on this channel. Let us dive into today's lesson. Check out this before and after samples of the picture we are editing today. The app we will be using is Canva. Just download the app from Play Store or App Store. Enter the main page and you will see this interface. Scroll left as shown until you get to where we have more. Click on more and allow it to load. Then you will see create using your photo and see all under. Click on see all, which will take you to your gallery. Select the picture you want to edit and it will automatically be brought to your workspace in Canva. You can watch previous videos to get more familiar with the use of Canva. I will drop the link in my description box and comment section. Let's continue. After selecting your picture, just click on it to highlight and scroll left on the bottom menu. You will get to a place where colors on the picture has been highlighted. Just click the color you want to change and change it from the color palette above. Then you download after you are done. We repeat the process again as we try for other pictures. Note, make sure don't tamper with your skin color because color highlighted but similar to your skin tone will automatically change the skin color once it's changed. Keep practicing and playing around it with different pictures to get familiar with the tool. Please, if you have gotten any value in this video, kindly like and share so as to reach more people who needs this skill. Keep editing and don't stop learning. I am Tutor Comfort. You are most welcome to this channel. Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe to learn daily tips on photo editing, AI image generation, and flyer designs. I will see you in my next video. Bye. If you want me to make a video on how to make your pictures speaks like this, please type yes in the comment section.